This is Honor 70, and in today's video we would like to demonstrate that you can download and use the Google Classroom app on this device. So to begin with, launch the Play Store, connect your device to the Wi-Fi, then enter the Google Classroom query. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now you can go ahead and launch it. In here, tap on the Get Started button, choose which account you would like to use for it. Well, typically you're going to use the account of your school or university or any other educational facility that they provided you with. In my case, I have only one Google account, so not a wide set of options. And now, once the app has been successfully launched and signed in to, you can join a room or join a class by tapping on this circle with a plus sign in it. Then join class option, enter the class code that you had to be provided with, and then tap on the join button. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.